Have you ever noticed that strange, musty smell in your freshly washed laundry? It's subtle at first. You ignore it. Maybe it's just the detergent, you think, but days pass, and it gets worse. Your clothes don't feel clean anymore. What if I told you that your washer, the very thing meant to clean, might be the one causing it? Sounds ironic, right? But it's more common than you think. In this video, we're uncovering the dirty truth inside your top-loading washing machine and exactly how to fix it. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on cleaning hacks that actually work. It's a story most of us never think about. You throw in your laundry, press a few buttons, and in an hour, everything smells fresh. Or so you think, but over time, something sinister happens. Detergent residue, fabric softener buildup, hard water minerals, and even mold start to cling to the inside of your washer, especially if you have a top-loading model. Why? Because the design traps moisture and bacteria in places we don't even see, like under the rim, behind the agitator, and in the drum lining. I remember talking to a mom of 3 who said her kids were constantly itching after laundry day. She changed soaps, switched detergents, even replaced clothes. Nothing worked until she looked inside the machine. The smell coming from the washer was subtle but powerful. That day, she realized something no one had ever told her. Washing machines need to be washed too. Wait! You're supposed to clean a washing machine? Yes, and most people don't, because we assume that appliances that use water clean themselves. But think about your shower. It sees water daily and still gets moldy, right? So imagine what's happening inside your washer. And what's worse, that buildup doesn't just stay in the machine. It gets transferred to your clothes, your towels, your bed sheets, even your skin. It's the kind of slow, invisible damage that sneaks up on you. So if your washer smells, or your clothes don't feel fresh anymore, it's time for a deep clean. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1 is obvious, but crucial. Empty the washer completely. Remove any clothes or loose items. Then, set your washer to the hottest and longest wash cycle. Now here's the secret ingredient. Add 4 cups of white vinegar directly into the drum. This natural acid breaks down mineral deposits, neutralizes odors, and kills hidden bacteria. Step 2. Let the machine fill and agitate for a minute, then pause it and let it sit for an hour. Why? Because soaking gives the vinegar time to work its magic deep inside the drum. Step 3. While the machine soaks, grab a microfiber cloth, dip it in a mix of vinegar and warm water, and wipe down the rim, the lid, and all the nooks and crannies around the agitator. You'll be shocked by how much grime comes off. Don't forget the detergent and softener dispensers. They're usually the dirtiest part. Step 4. Restart and complete the wash cycle. Let the vinegar rinse flush through the system. Now, step 5 is the final punch. Run one more cycle, again on hot, but this time, add 1 cup of baking soda into the drum. This helps deodorize, brighten the drum, and neutralize any leftover vinegar scent. You might think, okay, but does it really matter? Let me be honest. Yes, it does. I've seen cases where people had to replace an entire washer because of mold buildup behind the drum. In some homes, mold spores from the laundry room were triggering allergies in kids. And worst of all, clothes that looked clean weren't. The damage isn't just to your washer, it's to your health, your wardrobe, your water bills. So let me ask you, how long has it been since you cleaned your washer? A month? A year? Never? Then this might be the most important 10 minutes you'll spend this week. Put together a 100% free top 10 cleaning products guide and an emergency speed cleaning checklist, so you'll always have the best tools and techniques ready when life gets messy. From quick guest prep to post-kid chaos, this is the list every busy woman needs. Grab yours right now at www.school.com. Bonus, you'll get instant access to our free women's community made for women, where we share support, routines, and real-life solutions that actually work. We often think that cleaning is about controlling the mess, but it's more than that. It's about controlling chaos, about walking into your laundry room and feeling peace, not overwhelm. Because when your environment is clean, your head feels lighter. And yes, even your laundry smells like relief. So today, don't just clean your clothes. Clean the thing that cleans them. Give your washer the attention it deserves. It's working hard for you every single day. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon. so you're always in the loop with real-world cleaning tips that keep your home running like clockwork. Share this with someone who's been wondering why their clothes don't smell fresh anymore. And let me know in the comments, when was the last time you cleaned your washer? This is Kelly, reminding you that cleaning isn't a chore. It's an act of love for your home and for yourself.